So I welcome you all for the case study video. So today we are having a cylindrical grinding machine. Maybe you come across a cylindrical grinding machine having a fixture to study. Yes, manufacturing. Okay, what do you know about cylindrical grinding machine? Why it is used? Very high dimension tolerances.
It is used to reduce the thickness of the material due to micron.
Micron, yes. We can get very thin surfaces also. Next.
It is used for
What pieces? Can we measure non-cylindrical workpiece?
No.
Yes. You cannot measure. Okay. Have you heard about life center? What is life center?
It is powered by the motor.
So this is dead center. What is dead center? Yes, any power supply, right? Can we use coolant here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because it is covered with the coolant provision. Okay. Somewhat you are having a basic idea about cylindrical grinding. So as you told yourself, the cylindrical grinding machine used to grind the cylindrical workpieces. Okay. So first of all, I want to explain what is grinding operation. So grinding operation is the finishing operation. Once the components are machined in various machines, finally we are able to get only very poor surface finish. So we want to improve very good surface finish. As mentioned by my course, we have to machine some special machine. So this is the special machine. It is provided with the abrasive bead. So this is called the abrasive bead. By means of abrasive action, it is in contact with the workpiece. So by means of abrasive action and frictional resistance, it can able to remove the only tiny particles of the workpiece, so that we can able to get very good surface finish. Then tolerances, dimensional tolerances, as mentioned by Deepika, we can able to get very good dimensional tolerances because we are removing only the smallest portion of unwanted material. Okay, so these are all the important features. Then we have a dead center and live center. Usually this live center is powered by means of motor, and dead center is used to support the lengthy workpieces. So we can able to mount workpiece of two ends. One is supported by live center and another one is supported by a dead center. Okay. Then we can adjust the movement of this by means of hand wheels. We have a carriage and feed and depth of cut can be given in the machine. So we can adjust the movement of grinding wheel in a transverse direction, and we can adjust the settings also in the hand wheel provided in the tail stump. So this is called the tail stump. And this motor is powered, it is a 0.25 HP motor, and it is powered by means of electricity, and we have a gear transmission. So in the previous machine, power is transmitted by means of belt and but here the power is transmitted by gear drive. This motor pulley is connected with the gear. We can able to transfer power to the live center. Okay. To improve the surface finish further, to reduce the heat transfer, we can supply coolant. So we have a pipeline. So this provision enables the coolant is supplied on the workpiece, because if the grinding wheel is in contact with the workpiece, during that interface, enormous amount of heat is generated. So which alters the mechanical property and microstructural changes is also happening in the material that is very inert. So we cannot tolerate that, because the sudden change in the microstructural properties which leads to failure of the material. So in order to, and also it reduces the lifespan of this grinding wheel. So for that we have to supply the coolant. For supplying coolant, it is also provided with another motor with a pump. So it is used to supply the coolant at some moderate discharge. Then this grinding wheel is also powered by means of this motor. It is provided with three motors. One is used to power the live center, and another is used to power the grinding wheel, and another motor is there at the bottom. It is used to take the fluid, the coolant, and to supply at the top. So by this way, we can able to machine any cylindrical workpieces to get the required dimension tolerances and surface fees. So I hope this video will be useful for